Salam everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's lesson, we'll discuss how to wish someone a happy birthday. By the way, if it is your birthday this month, please let me know down below because I would love to wish you a happy birthday. And there are a couple of ways how you can do that in Tatar. 1. Min seni doğan günün bilen kutlayayım. Min seni doğan günün bilen kutlayayım. If we translated word to word, it means I congratulate you with your birthday. Min, I, seni, you, doğan günün, your birthday, bilen, with, kutlayayım, congratulate. Min seni doğan günün bilen kutlayayım. You can also substitute kutlayayım with tebrik ederim, which also means congratulate, but I guess in a more formal way. So, min seni doğan günün bilen tebrik ederim. I personally like the third version, which is doğan günün kutlu olsun. This version in translation is probably even closer to what we say in English. So it means something along the lines of may your birthday be happy. Doğan günün. Your birthday, kutlu olsun, may be happy. Okay, the lesson is over. Goodbye. Just joking. You're probably thinking that just like in English cultures, you can't just wish someone a happy birthday and maybe add have a good one at the end and be over with it. I'm afraid not, because that would be a little too dry and insincere, at least in the Tatar culture. After you wish someone doğan günün kutlu olsun, you also need to add a few more positive wishes. Now let's add a few birthday phrases to our vocabulary, shall we? Kadirli, dear. Kadirli, dileğim. I wish, dileğim. Uzun ömür, a long life. Uzun ömür, esenlik, sağlık, good health. Esenlik, sağlık, boyluk, wealth. Boyluk, işlerinde, in things you do like business, work, hobbies, different activities. İşlerinde, uğraşlar, luck, prosper. Dileklerin turmuşqa arsın. May your wishes come true. Dileklerin, your wishes, turmuşqa, reality, arsın, come true. I guess may your wishes come to reality or something like that. Çın könülden, sincerely, çın könülden. Now, this is how you can wish someone a happy birthday in full version. Kadirli opam, min seni doğan günün bilen kutlayayım. Sana uzun ömür, esenlik, sağlık, boyluk, işinde uğraşlar dileyim. Barlık dileklerin de turmuşqa aşsın. Doğan günün kutlu olsun. Çın könülden, singilin, leysin. My dear sister, I wish you a happy birthday. I wish you a long life, good health, wealth, and best of luck in everything you do. May all your wishes come true. Happy birthday. Sincerely, your little sister, Laysen. This is one of the standard ways to wish someone a happy birthday. Of course, you're welcome to customize it, especially if you're addressing it to someone close to you. And you could add something like strong, happy family, well-behaved kids, a life filled with love, and so on. There you go. Now go ahead, call or text someone who has a birthday today and wish them a happy birthday using the vocabulary phrases that we learned today. I hope they understand Tatar though. If not yet, definitely let them know about this channel and help them learn the Tatar language. Also, like this video if it was helpful and subscribe to my channel for the future Tatar lessons. Ushılız. Bye.